How to see your followers on Threads. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to see your followers on Threads. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do this, what we need to do is to just head over to Threads. If you haven't downloaded it yet, then head over to your Play Store or Google Store or App Store, whatever, it depends on you. So once you've downloaded that, just open it right here. So let's click on that and just click on your profile icon right here in order to proceed to your profile page like what you can see in mine. So in order to see your followers, what you need to do is just click on this followers right here. So let's click on that. And you can see here all the followers that you have and also the following and also the pending you have right here. So is here you can see your followers if you have any. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to see your followers on Threads. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!